Hello everybody, welcome to this new video in our channel Crypto Halloween. Today we will talk about a new project called Socrates, and as always we will try to give you the full details about this project. But before that, I would like to ask you another time to put like in this video because it will help us a lot. So let's go now to our video. So before going to the next part, don't forget to see our previous videos. And don't forget also to put like and follow to this video. And thank you very much. So this is our platform, Socrates. And as you see, I love the design of this website. And we will see it with details in this video. So let's go now to the top. Let the word see difference option, Socrates, the multi-chain. Join the conversion. And this is the application, how it shows. And this is like a video that describes our video, all platforms and all social media. You will see it in the bottom. Now let's get started. And as you see, I have already an account in this platform. I have already have some money in this platform. Enter my email with login with email. I have already saved it. First of all, and before doing anything, we must connect our MetaMask. I have already linked it, so it's easy for me in this account, but you must link it. So let's go now to the wallet to see my money. I have already sent some money here. It's like $20. And now let's mint in this platform. So there is 3 levels. The first level 10 USDT, the second one 100, and the third one 300. So let's now go to our MetaMask, choose $10, next, and we will approve the transaction. We will wait for a second. And as you see, you must confirm it another time. Let's wait for now. So it will take some time, sometimes. And now we have our mint done. Now let's buy some points to use it in the questionnaire. So we will choose like 7 for now. Confirm another time with the MetaMask. Sign another time. After that we must confirm it. We'll wait for a second, and because we have already done an order, it will be successfully done. So you must refresh, and as you see, the balance now is 7. To confirm that, you will see that we have 7 points here. Let's use now our points in the questionnaire. So as you see, the voting point is for 0.5, and now I will vote in this questionnaire. I must choose, for example, A, and as you see, I have choose A. You can cost 1 vote, and it will cost me like 0.5 points. So it's done now, and as you see the chart, it's already done. Very good. There is also the remaining time, so you must to see it, or you must to done it before the end of each questionnaire to have the chance to win the prize pool. So we'll go back now also in the bottom of the page, and you will see other remaining questionnaire that you can apply on it and try to win the prize pool. So for that, I apply also here. Let's go also in the bottom of this page, another one. What is direction has Twitter changed since arrival of Elon Musk? As you see, there is 3 options, and there is a lot of votes. And also, as you see, the prize pool. So for me, I will choose the first one, and I will vote for 1 point, waiting if I will win the prize pool. I will also see that. So there is 2 options, and there is a lot of votes. So I will choose the B one, and it will cost me 1 point. So let's see another questionnaire. I will see this one. Or I will choose also discover, because here you will find the active one and the ended one. So I will see just the active one. This prize pool is 45 points. There is another one, but it's end. Let's check the ended one to see what we have not apply on it. Or we can sort them by the latest one: sports, arts, future, and there is a lot of categories that we can see it. So let's go to leaderboard, and as you see, this is the leaderboard. Winner ranking depends on points, vote ranking, questions ranking, and notification here. Let's go to invitation, interaction, follow, points system. Let's discover our profile, what we have done in this account. We can change also our picture from here, submit it, and as you see, it's changed. Let's see also our wallet. So I have just now for 4.2. Let's write something here, ask a question. And do you like Socrates? For A, yes. For B, no. We will see the channels. For this, I will choose the art one. You can choose any one, no problem, but for me it's the art. Validity, I will, for example, just for 1 day. Anyone, I can here add picture, users, and also some links, but I will not do it for now. Not set. Now I will do how many points. So for example, I will choose 0, 40 or 0, 1. Inject points, I will do like 1, and I will create the question and confirm it. So it's very easy. Let's check it. So as you see, it's listed now. Do you like Socrates? I will do yes. So yes, and I will submit it now. And as you see, I have the first vote from me, and it will cost me just 1 point. So it's very good, and you can try it. So let's see now the invitation. You can earn up to 10% commission by your link. So after some time, I have received a notification about an earning, and as you see here, so I have earned from this questionnaire. And as you see now, there is some votes on my question.